This landslide will take place in the community. Real tragedy for we in this community as well, because this thing take place around 6:30 to 7 o'clock in the morning. Over 200 houses were destroyed. Some are 4-story building, 3-story building, and even then people yourself then get building now, then can put up now to save the children and building there. If I can name a few, even to Amadou, Honorable Minister Mohamed Bangura house, all involved into this landslide.
That red roof where they sit down there, behind there, they hospital. And then they did it and we did it right now. Not all broke, but one stone come, it hit on the beam up, so it broke the front side down. I think my family, they all been there. Just managed to escape, left the area.
On the 14th of August 2017, Sierra Leone witnessed a landslide that killed over 300 people at Regent in the western part of Freetown, Sierra Leone. This occurred in the early hours of Monday, 14th of August 2017, during a torrential rainfall that caused heavy flooding that destroyed lives and properties worth millions of leones in different parts of Freetown, Sierra Leone. It was a heartbreaking and terrible incident, such that have never been seen in the history of Sierra Leone before. The government of Sierra Leone immediately stepped into action by the directives of His Excellency Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma, the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone. Institutions were set up to handle the survivors, the dead, and the displaced people. The government is doing their level best to get on top of the situation, but the challenge is so enormous that sympathizers from other countries and individuals and organizations are supporting in any way they can to help the survivors and affected families of the landslide and the flooding. Worthy to mention is the relief sent from Bishop David O. Oyedepo, the president of Living Faith Church Worldwide, also known as Winners Chapel International, on the 19th of August 2017 to the survivors and affected families of the landslide and the flooding. There is an urgent need to relocate the affected families who have taken refuge in uncompleted buildings with no windows and doors to a better housing facility somewhere away from the affected communities. This will help them overcome the harsh cold weather they are facing presently. is also the need to help and reintegrate children who lost their parents or their guardians through this ugly incident to return back to school to continue with their education.
We need more help because we right now rather than they help you for go school. We don't lost them. Right now we need the help for let them help you for begin go school. Let them support you. We beg them for let them help you.
It is also obvious that these affected families need proper medical attention and good food with hygienic drinking water for their sustenance. The situation on the ground still reveals that more help is needed to address the sufferings and pains of the affected families and survivors, especially women and children, that happens to be most vulnerable in this tragedy. In whichever way we can, let us join hands and help Sierra Leone for the good of humanity.